Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel Tech Bird, and today we are going to cover the SAP production planning module, and it's a routing. Today we are going to discuss the routing topic. What is routing? So before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel, that is uh, Tech Bird, and you can get lots of videos by subscribing that are very informative. So let's move to the topic. So, SAP routing. So, what is routing? First, routing is a description of which operations or list of activities has to be carried out during the production and planning process. It also tells what order or sequence the activities or operations need to be carried out at work centers or machines. There may be several alternative routings for product. For example, product can be manufactured on two manually operated machines, drilling and grinding, and simultaneously manufactured on one automatic machine which has both drilling and grinding function. In this case, material has two alternative routings: automatic machine and manual operated machine. So multiple materials can follow same routing group, which means a group of materials can have single routing. Routing is used in production for scheduling and costing of operations for finished and semi-finished material. So this line is very important. Routing is used in production for scheduling and costing of operations for finished and semi-finished materials. Routing are also used in standard cost calculation for finished product by calculating operational cost of finished goods. Okay. Before creating the routing, it is mandatory that work center should be available in the system. So first thing we should have is work center in our system. Now see how to create routing. So from SAP Easy Access menu, open transaction code CA01. CA01. Then enter parent material for which routing need to be created. Parent material. So here is your parent material. Okay. Enter plant code. This is the plant code. Enter the key date, valid from date, which means that routing would be valid from that date. And this is the key date. Okay. 29 August 1950. So these are three steps. Initial screen of create routing. Now after filling in all the fields, click this sign or press enter to go to the next screen header detail. Step 2, in this step, if you see here, this is the step 2, header details. Okay, after clicking on this sign, this tick sign, in this step we will maintain routing header data as given below. Enter usage as 1, which is usage as 1. You can see a group counter 1, which means for production routing and will be used for production order. So it's a production order, so it's 1. There are other tasks which are meant for plant maintenance and inspection plan. Enter status 4, which is released status. It indicates routing is valid for material requirement planning and costing. Okay, so release status is 4, which is valid for material requirement for planning and costing. Okay, so if you see here, so this is your status, that is 4. Then enter lot size. So you can see 99999 something like this, which means that routing is valid for order quantity between 0 and 9999. Press operation button to add the sequence of operation and follow step 3. So here you can see third step is putting this lot size value in kg. Click operation tab. This is your operation tab, fourth step. Click operation tab and it will open operation overview screen like this one. Okay. So here enter work center code at which operation it carried out. So this is the first step where you will put your work center code. Then input control key. Then input control key here in the second step, control key. So what this control key is? This control key which determines whether operations should be scheduled, costed, and if auto goods receipt is possible while doing production confirmation. It is generally configured depends upon your business process. Third one is input the operation description. So in third step you will put the operation description. Okay. So here now fourth, input the base quantity or output quantity of the material which indicates how much quantity of material would be produced in machine and labor time mentioned at point number 5 6. Okay. So base quantity is this one, here it is given 100. Then fifth, enter setup time in minutes required for base quantity. Here you have set it 10 minutes. Okay. Then sixth, enter machine time in minutes required for base quantity. Here machine time 30 minutes. Okay. So now click save to save the new routing. System will show message routing was saved with group and material at the lower left corner. How to change routing? So once the routing has been created, then how will we do it? I will change it. So we would change routing if we have replaced old with new work center or added one more operation to manufacturing process. So if our machine productivity is increased, then we need to change the machine time or base quantity. So here from SAP Easy Access menu, open transaction CA02. So the initial screen will be like this, change routing. Then enter parent material for which routing need to be changed. So here you will enter at the first step your material parent routing, okay, code. Then enter plant code, second one. Then your plant code is in the second step. Then key date, valid from date, which means that routing would be valid from date. From that date is set to currently date automatically. So this date will automatically be changed to current date, key date. Okay, after filling all the details, click this sign. Okay, this tick mark on top menu to go to the next screen. So change the control key from you can see here, change the control key from PPO1 without auto GR indicator to PPO3. ठीक है, you have changed it to PPO3. Auto goods receipt means when you do production confirmation, goods receipt of material will happen automatically. Then change the machine time in the second step. Initially it was 30 minutes, now you have set it to 35 minutes. Then save the routing. And how to display routing? To display the routing, we will follow the following steps. From SAP Easy Access screen, open transaction CA03. So screen will be like this, display routing. Enter the parent material for which routing need to be displayed. In the first step, then plant code you will put here, then key date. Okay, you will put it here. After filling all details, click right sign, plus sign, this tick sign from top menu to go to the next screen and display the routing. Step 2, in this screen we will see how operation data of routing is displayed. So first, if you see here, this is the overview of operation. The screen will display the operation data of routing like operation carried out by work center, like this, base quantity, this one, setup time 10 minutes, and machine time 35 minutes. So this was all about the routing. So basically routing is nothing but it's a description of which operation or list of activity has to be carried out during the production and planning process. It tells what order or sequence the activity or operation need to be carried out at work center or machines. Okay, so this was all about routing. I hope you'd have got some idea. So please follow our channel Tech Bird for more informational videos, and we'll meet you soon. Till then, goodbye.